patient.
With her
Hands on her hips kind of thing. Waiting to board our Oceanjet Ferry here en route to Bohol.
She doesn't like lines.
Nope, she does not want to wait.
Miriam. Okay, we made it. We're on the ferry here. You're okay now that you're boarded, huh? Are you gonna sleep during this ferry ride?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No,
Okay, and we are off. Big boat behind us. That's the port. Big dark clouds. What do you think, Miriam? Miriam already spotted a pirate ship. Yeah, first 100 meters out. Can you believe it? Oh yeah? And you're on a suitcase, so you could be up higher. So you could spread out. See, she's nice and comfortable now. Bridge. So this is a very comfortable one. It's called Oceanjet, I think. And it's all indoor. Everybody, you can see the AC up there. So we're all comfortable. There's Macton Bridge. Fits a lot of people. I mean, I don't know how many people probably came on here. What do you think?
I think everybody came on.
Everybody.
Everybody's going.
Well, I just shut the video off, but they kicked it up a notch here. See the bridge behind us now? We're leaving it in the dust. Yeah, we're going pretty fast now, probably 30, 40 kilometers per hour. Maybe you can't tell. Yeah, we're cruising. This is the fast ferry. Yeah.
Is it fast enough for Miriam?
I don't know, probably not. She's a rush.
The sky was so pretty over the waters as the sun prepared to set. Our journey was so smoothly sailing that somebody fell asleep, even though she didn't plan on doing so.
So we arrived at Bohol and got ourselves a tuk-tuk to the Airbnb. So we're happy because we love tuk-tuks.
Yes, we are a tuk-tuk family and we saved 300 pesos. And the prices there at the port are just too much. So just for 3.2 kilometers. There are two other beds There's that bed. And there's this bed.
We're only gonna sleep here tonight, then we'll be traveling tomorrow.
Dolphins! Very, very Bohol. Stained glass door.
As a travel tip, washing your dirty clothes on vacation means fewer clothes to bring and lighter luggage. A homestay like this with a washer and dryer is an awesome find. As a budget tip, when booking a homestay, consider looking for one with a well-equipped kitchen where you can cook your own meals and is near grocery stores where you can buy the ingredients. The owner, May, is a super host. She went the extra mile to make us feel comfortable and treated us like family. Her personality is as sunshiny as her home's summer motif. She is highly recommended. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and watch out for our Bohol travel videos coming out soon.